When I thought about creating the Pause Project, I couldn't ignore what was happening around us. So many people are being impacted by the government shutdown. Flights are being delayed, jobs are on pause, paychecks are not coming in on time, and it's affecting not just our finances, but our peace of mind. This kind of uncertainty can weigh heavy on mental health and your ability to show up every single day. I believe even in the pause, there is purpose. What we're experiencing isn't permanent. It's a reminder that God is calling us to turn back to Him, to remember that He is still the ultimate source, our provider, our peace, and our waymaker. That's why I created the Pause Project. It's a space for those who are directly impacted. It's a space to breathe, to be cared for, and to be reminded that beauty starts on the inside, but it also is reflected on the outside. So I'm offering free beauty services for those who are affected by the shutdown, because showing up daily requires you feel well within. So even when the world pauses, remember, God never stopped providing. I want you to show up in this season with expectation, not fear, but believing and remembering that God's still providing. He's providing abundance in this season, even in the midst of this delay.